let you know from the gate. I don't go down late. I want a chick with dick hips and lips and lips. She can be the awkward sight, but like the strip. Girl, you get me around, how you look in my eye, but you talk to.
So it is the third day. We just woke up. That's about it. But we're gonna go eat right now at Huckleberry's, like a diner type place. See how that is.
Talking about sun out. Look at this. Hungry.
ID car, Hakay. We are here. It feels really nice, even though it's overcast. Now that's safe. Look. Yeah, that's real safe.
So what do you expect this place to be like? Awesome. I've been here before. It's a better Denny's.
I haven't been to this one, but I think I've been to one before. Or maybe it was, I think I'm getting it mixed up with Coco's. Basically the same thing.
Can you give me the menu? I'm really hungry. What's the menu, John?
Oh.
We're heading to downtown Pismo. We have our swim stuff, got some kites, frisbee, football. Probably gonna be doing that. Down to the beach, swim, get this thing started. You're a fidget, John. You're a fidget. You're stinky.
The baby dance.
Poor dad. Poor dad. Look at dad.
Donate now to help this child.
I think the pancakes are all fattening.
This pony named Mocha just decided to wander into a bar and things got a little handcuffed.
So we are here. This is Pismo, guys. This is Western Coast? Western Coast, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is what it's like for those of you who don't know. So D's over there getting the change situated. This one was full. Yeah, his mom's going over there to shop. We're gonna look around, hopefully find something.
Can't wait to get in the water, man.
Yeah.
I haven't been to the beach.
So let's see what happens. Honey, Clark, did you hear the good news? Look! We're here at Hot Licks in Pismo, the thing, the strip. All this candy, and they have these they got ant suckers, worm suckers, other crickets, a lot of stuff.
I've only done circuits.
All this candy. If you're in Pismo, definitely check this place out. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, I'm all about that. Oh dude, look at that. Only like 5 feet of licorice right there. Coca-Cola. Ah, you just whacked me with the kite again, damn it. Oh dude, they have Pokemon goatee. Look at that. That's actually pretty awesome. The way it's cut. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're famous. What if someone recognizes us from HakayandHon? Where's D? They have meme shirts. Meme shirt. Oh, we gotta go.
Mom, we're gonna go look in here.
Gotta go look in the meme shirts.
Wow. The land of mink.
Dude. That sounds good. A Fanta right out of the bottle. We're feeding the crabs weed. Look at, there's actual crabs. Jake, I have to tell you, I have crabs.
You want to walk down to the water?
Well, we are now currently trying to change in the bathrooms. Here's to pier. It's very overcast and like windy today, but it's all good. Still the beach. Still beats 106-degree weather.
I want to go way out there.
And if you can even hear us, it's so freaking windy out here. But yeah, we're gonna change. When we went to the changing rooms, which were technically the bathrooms, and there's just nowhere to change. It's just all wet and crap. So we really don't know what to do. At least Jake's in shorts. I'm in pants, so we don't really know what to do. We'll try to find somewhere.
You want to go way down there? I say go left.
Right here?
Yeah. We have found porta potties.
So hopefully
We're gonna change. Let's do it.
So we're about to take our first steps on the sand. It'll be great. Clamming is illegal. Remember that.
What's claim?
I don't know, kid. And we have arrived. We are. Ah! And I already impaled my foot. So we're gonna go to the water.
Trick or treat!
So we're gonna go out to the ocean right now. Play a little F-ball and check in with you later. Beach is beachy.
Beach. So we just got out of riding the waves. It was awesome. It's amazing to go way far out there and ride the waves. It really is an experience. Anytime you go to the beach, you have to try just go way out there and do it. I just changed. We're gonna head home now. John's changing in the bathroom. I'm gonna go get some dinner later.
Not even sure what we're doing. Are we going back? I think we're going back. Central Market.
That's like Pismo at night.
A nice shot.
You want to do cheers with the fire?
Cheers with the hot dogs over the fire. It'll be a very cinematic shot.
I think you'll bumper by.
Can you get the buns out? Can you get the buns out? Dad, D, Darren,
Okay.
Darren, D,
Okay.
Darren, D, Darren,
Okay.
D.
Cheers.
Cheers, John, not PDA.
So,
I forgot.
roasting's doing good. Jake, how's your hot dog?
Yeah, it got to a point where like it started to sizzle, and there's a difference between a semi-cooked beef hot dog and a fully cooked beef hot dog. It's quite an amazing taste, but mine wasn't even really cooked to like super duper. So I'm gonna try this time. I'm gonna cook it really long. Okay.
Get some nice char.
I got charcoal on mine. Oh, it's on. Well, so John's gonna, we got this cookie butter thing from Trader Joe's, and John is, oh my gosh. John's putting,
making heaven. If you saw from yesterday's vlog, we got the whole family's reaction when they tried this. Besides yours, I don't think it's anything like that. You guys want to do the DIY official HakayandHon dessert?
doesn't smell like it tastes. Okay, ready?
Upside down.
Jake is best filmer.
This to I don't know if we're gonna film more, but to close up the it's third day, and we cheers.
He just like went out the set. Not sure if these go together. What's worse than diabetes? More diabetes.
Diabetes. Well, time to start on the second day.
Shrek saw.
Oh, Jake, this thing. Remember?
No.
Remember, I yelled "saw" at someone, didn't I? Like, dude, so, when we were stopping traffic. Not really feeling good from that cookie butter chocolate sandwich. I think Shrek would agree, but especially if you have diabetes, do not try our signature snack. Hadouken! So Jake, what do you think about Street Fighter?
It's a very fun game.
Nah. She's pretty, SpongeBob. Oh, sit on your belt. The way this is positioned. So it's currently 3:25 in the morning. These are all the videos from yesterday, actually, that I need to edit. I just noticed from looking through videos of today that we forgot to make an outro, so I apologize, but that was the end of day 3. You know, I'm just gonna go to bed, but we'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna try to go swim tomorrow and do something fun with the Shrek mask. Stay tuned for day 4. See you guys later. Good night. Growing huckleberries. Car shot, huckleberry. TV saw, pillow saw.